Hi everybody, welcome to my Cook at Home series with Tonya and to my Cooking on the Bay kitchen. Today we're going to make a parsley and garlic butter. They're very handy having these butters in the fridge or in the freezer because they add lots of flavour to a beautiful piece of steak or to a piece of chicken. You could throw it in the pan when you're perhaps preparing a sauce, perhaps a Napoli sauce, whatever sort of, perhaps a mushroom sauce would be lovely. So what we're going to do, I particularly make it when my parsley is looking a little bit tired. That's still okay for chopping up and using in dishes, but it's not looking as perky as it once was. I've had that for 2 weeks. So how I keep it for that long, 2 weeks is quite a while to keep parsley in the fridge and for it to be looking so good. I put it in water, I cover it with a Scott towel, I wrap it in a bag, tie it round and secure it with an elastic band, okay? I may just need a little bit more of this today, so I'm not going to secure it now, but that will last in my cooking for another day. I've got the parsley here. I've left a few stalks on, and I've just basically got a handful. A few stalks on, I don't mind those in there. But these big thick stalks, I don't want those in my parsley batter, so I'll put those to one side. I'll wrap them tightly, securely in some cling form, and I'll pop them in the freezer for when I'm going to make my next stock, in case I would like to have a bit more, to add a bit more flavour to the stock. Parsley stalks are very good. I will just add a few of these that are looking a bit wonky on the top. So basically, I have got a recipe for you, but I basically am eyeballing this. So we're putting in our parsley. We're going to add our garlic, which I have roughly chopped. I've put in 2 cloves of garlic, and there's about 200 grams of butter in this dish. So we're going to, I might just give it a whiz first before I put the butter in. Now it's going to make a big noise. I don't have any salt or pepper. I might just give it a whiz. There are varieties of flavours that you can make. If you have a look in there, Michael, I've just roughly done that in my Breville food processor. I'll put the butter in, slightly softened, as you can see. And then that is all it takes. We will then roll it into a sausage shape, so it looks like this one here. And as I said, put it in the fridge or the freezer. So here we go again. Just put it down. It's got a beautiful colour. You can make just garlic on its own, and you can make just parsley on its own. You don't have to have them together. You can make anchovy butter. You can make rosemary and chili, or chili on its own. This one I made, that is this one. You can see how lovely and green that is. If this is frozen, this is soft from the fridge. Just enough for a dollop on top of your steak, which was actually left over from our steak last night. I've got the little collection here of the actual quantities and the flavourings, and I'll put that on my website under garlic and flavoured butters. Just once more. Oh, look at that. That looks beautiful, doesn't it? Can you see that lovely colour? Luscious and just fabulous. Okay. So let's take this out. Scrape it down, form it into a sausage, and that's it. this way. One of my favourite implements in the kitchen are these silicone scrapers. You can see they scrape out all the goodies from your pot, pan, bowl, food processor. Means that you're sending less down the sink and not wasting it, which is what we don't want to do. So this is a great way to save your parsley for a future use. There we go. And then I should have done it the other way around. Then we'll just simply roll this. That was probably a bit long. A bit enthusiastic there. Roll it around like a sausage, and there you have your lovely little bit of parsley and garlic butter that you can pop in the freezer. And I will re-wrap that. I just took that out so you could see what it looks like. And off you go. So on the website there will be parsley butter and garlic butter, anchovy butter, anchovy and chili and rosemary, and radish, which is this one here. So have a go. Don't throw out any of those herbs. You could make chive butter. Use whatever you have in your kitchen and pop it into the butter. And if you want to add garlic, that's nice. And then pop it in the freezer, and you've always got it on hand for when you need it. So that's it for me now. Thank you very much, and I'll see you again another time. Bye-bye.